Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money-making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you're enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best affiliates, the affiliate program, from Affiliates for Affiliates. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money-making survey site for you to check out. The I button. I do not recommend, I only suggest investment online have a risk, so please research before them. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is NUTRIPROFIT? NUTRIPROFIT was created by affiliates with many years of experience, with affiliates in mind. We have set ourselves the goal of creating a platform with high-quality food supplements and cosmetics for people who want to promote products on their own websites or through other available marketing techniques. The NUTRIPROFIT's affiliate program has been operating since 2013. Every year we try to meet expectations of our affiliates by improving functionality of our platform and adding more top-quality products. How cooperation with other affiliates? We focus primarily on building partnership with our affiliates. We are convinced that thanks to our approach we are able to build a platform that ensures our partners the highest earnings and satisfaction. Our goal is to support the marketing activities of our affiliates and help transform every effort into a perfectly successful online business. We support our affiliates in achieving their goals while providing our customers with excellent quality products. What distinguishes us from our competitors? All products in our offer are made from the highest quality and premium ingredients, so no matter your source of traffic, you can be sure that you are marketing products that are good for your customers. NUTRIPROFIT guarantees that its products have huge sales potential and their conversion rate is well above average for this category. Why NUTRIPROFIT? NUTRIPROFIT is an affiliate program created by people with several years of experience in the e-commerce industry who have affiliates in mind. NUTRIPROFIT lets you market high-quality health and beauty products to customers all over the world. Use our potential to generate substantial income for yourself. 1. Highest commissions. Sign up to NUTRIPROFIT and enjoy the highest commissions on the market. You can earn up to 40% from each sale of highly priced, top-quality, premium products. Each referred customer stays with you for life and you make up to 20% for all of his/her future orders. 2. Lifetime cookies. While other affiliate programs provide a 30-day cookie, we offer a lifetime cookie with no expiry date. This means that you will receive a sales commission no matter when your customer places his or her order. 3. Highest conversion rate on the market. NUTRIPROFIT offers only the best, high-quality, premium and highly sought-after products that turn visitors into customers. We offer a huge selection of different brands in different categories. Check our offers here. 4. Worldwide reach. All the brands available in NUTRIPROFIT can be promoted in more than 100 countries. As a result, you are able to significantly expand the area of your advertising activities. Your customers will be able to use convenient payment methods and shipping methods adapted to local trends. 5. Regular payouts. Is our affiliate, you will always receive your payout on time. The transfer of funds takes place by the 21st of each month and includes the account balance for the period of the previous month. To make a payout, your account balance must exceed €100 or 80 British pounds or 120 United States dollars or 400 Polish zlotys. 6. Multiple payout methods. You can use many different payout methods to withdraw funds, including, but not limited to: 7. Bank transfer, e-payments, Paxum. 8. Effective tracking methods. We have the best methods of tracking sales. Modern technology allows you to track every link, so you can be sure that the generated commission will always be included in your account balance. 9. Support. Once you join NUTRIPROFIT, you will have access to all the necessary materials to start promoting our products. We will regularly inform you about news, traffic trends, and sales via email. Steps in the world of affiliation. Remember that our support team is always ready to help. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. I hope you all like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos of earning. Don't forget to share the video. Hit the thumbs up and press the bell icon. Good luck.